Good morning, students. Standard 5, Subject Max, Term 2. Unit 5, Interconcept. Let's see the relation between speed, time and distance. See the first example. Raman reached 195 km at the speed of 65 km per hour. How much time did he travel? Here the first one denotes distance. That means Raman reached 195 km. That means it is the distance. So distance equal to 195 km. And the second one is what? Speed. So speed is equal to 65 km per hour. And we need to find out the time. So how to find out the time? For that we will use the formula time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what's the distance here? It is 195 divided by what is the speed here? It is 65. So that you have to write here 65. Next, how to divide these two numbers? We have two ways here. First way is our long division method. So in long division method, this numerator 195 will become as the dividend and the denominator 65 will become as the divisor. Now dividers, take the first number 1. You can't able to divide it. Let's take the second number together. Now this will become 19. Now also you can't able to divide it because this 19 is actually less than 65, so that you can't able to divide this. So we will move to the next number, that is what? 5. So when we are taking these three numbers together, you will get us 195. Now you can able to divide this number. Let's see, 65 3s are 195. Subtract both of them, you will get 0. So as the quotient you got 3. And here they are actually asking about the time. So how to write the units? It is hours. So the answer is what? 3 hours. So Raman travelled 3 hours. We can do this same division in another one way. Let's see that. First write the numerator, that is what? 195 divided by what's the denominator? It is 65. See both of the numbers ones place is 5. So if the numbers ones place is 5 or else it is 0, then that numbers will be divided by 5. So that I am going to divide these two numbers with 5. Just to see this, take the first number, it is what? 6, right? So 5, 1 is 5. Remainder is what? 1. So that 1 will be added with this 5. It will become as 15. Now see, 5 3s are 15. Coming to the numerator, there you got what? 195. So I am going to divide this 195 with the 5. For that I am taking the first number, that is 1. We can't able to divide it, right? So we will take the second number together. Now this will become 19. Now see, 5 3s are what? 15. Got the remainder as 4. That will be added with this 5. It will become as what? 45. Now see, 5 9s are 45. So now what you got? In the numerator's place you got 39 and in the denominator's place you got 13. See, this 13 and 39 will be divided by 13 only. So that I am going to divide these two numbers with 13. So 13 1 is what? 13. And coming here, take the first number. It is not possible to divide this with 13. So that I am taking the second number together. Now this will become 39 and 13 3s are what? 39. Now what you got? In the numerator's place you got 3 and in the denominator's place you got 1, right? So 3 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1, you will get the same number only. According to that, 3 divided by 1 means you will get what? 3 only. And we are actually find out the time. So the unit is what? Hours. So the answer is 3 hours. Let's see the second example. Wilson reached 240 km at the speed of 60 km per hour. How much time did he travel? Here also they are asking about the time. So first you need to write the formula. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. And what's the distance here they gave to you? 240, right? So that you have to write 240 divided by what's the speed they gave to you here? It is 60. So that you have to write here as 60. Now see, in the numerator's place the ones place is 0. Likewise in the denominator's place the ones place is 0. So if that happened, you can cancel both of the 0. After cancellation, what you got? in numerator's place you got 24 and in denominator's place you got 6, right? So you can cancel both of these numbers with 6, right? So see, 6 1 is 6 and 6 4s are what? 24, which is equal to, now what you got in the numerator's place? 4 divided by what is got in the denominator? You got 5, right? So 4 divided by 1 means what will you get? You will get 4 only. So 4s is the answer. If this is not easy to you, you can use long division method. If you are using the long division method, this 240 will become as the dividend and this 60 will become as the divisor. And what you got in the quotient, that will become the answer. So Wilson travelled 4 hours. Let's see the third sum. Anbarasan travelled 350 km at the speed of 70 km per hour. Find the time taken for his travel. So you need to find out the time, right? So time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what's the distance here they gave to you? 35, right? So 350, right? So you have to put here 350 divided by, what's the speed? It is 70. So you need to write here 70. So see, the distance is 350 divided by the speed is 70. So that we are writing here as 70. Now see, the ones place of the numerator 0. Likewise in the denominator the ones place is 0. So you can cancel both of the zeros. Now what you got? 35 in numerator's place divided by 7 in denominator's place. Now also you can cancel this 7. Because 7 will be divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, right? Likewise 35 will be divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. So that I am going to divide these two numbers with 7. So see this, 7 1 is 7. Coming here, take the first number 3. You can't able to divide this with 7. So that I am taking the second number together. Now this will become 35 and 7 5s are what? 35. So now what you got? Numerator's place you got 5 divided by denominator's place you got 1. So 5 divided by 1 means actually what you got? 5. So this is actually time. So we need to put the unit, that is hours. So Anbarasan travelled 5 hours. Move to the fourth sum. Nasser travelled 360 km at the speed of 90 km per hour. Find the time taken for his travel. So let's write the solution for this. Here also they are asking about the time, right? So time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what's the distance here? It is 360. So first write the distance as 360 divided by, what's the speed here? 90, right? So next write the speed as 90. Now see, here the ones place is 0. Likewise here also the ones place is 0. So cancel both of these zeros. Now what you got? 36 divided by 9, right? So these two numbers will be divided by 9. So I am going to divide these two numbers with 9. Just to see, 9 1 is 9. Okay. Coming to the numerator, 36. 9 4s are what? 36, right? So now what you got? We got 4 divided by 1. So 4 divided by 1 means it is actually what? 4 only. And this is time, so that we will put the unit as hours. So what we got? Nasser travelled 4 hours. Let's see the final sum. Fatima reached 480 km at the speed of 120 km per hour. How much time did she travelled? So here also we need to find out the time, right? So first we need to write the formula. What is the formula? Time equal to distance divided by speed. So what's the distance here? 480, right? Divided by, what's the speed here? 120. Now see, here the ones place is 0. Here also the ones place is 0. So you can cancel both of this. And if you know the 12th table very well, you can use here. Because 12 will be divided by 12. Same time this 48 also will be divided by 12. So just to see this, 12 1 is 12 and 12 4s are what? 48. So what you got now? 4 divided by 1. So 4 divided by 1 means you will actually get the answer as what, ma? 4. So they are asking about the time, so we need to put this unit as hours. So the answer is 4 hours. If you don't know 12th table, also you can do the same sum. Just to see how to do that. So 48 divided by 12. See, this 48 is actually an even number. Likewise, this 12 is also an even number. So both of them are even numbers. So you can cancel or you can divide these two numbers with the 2. So let's we divide these two numbers with 2. See this, 2 6 are 12. Right? Coming to the numerator, there we got what? 48. Take the first number, it is what? 4. Right? So 2 2s are what? 4. Second number is what? 8. So you can cancel this with 2. What we got? 2 4s are 8. Now see, numerator's place you got 24, denominator's place you got 6. If you know the sixth table very well, you can cancel like this. 6 1 is 6 and 6 4s are what? 24. Otherwise, if you don't know the sixth table also, you can do it. How to do this? Just to see. This 24 is actually which number? Even number, right? Likewise, this 6 also even number. So again, you can cancel these two numbers with the 2. Just to see this. So 2 3s are what will you get? 6. Likewise, in the numerator's place, take the first number, it is 2. So 2 1 is 2. There is no reminder. So move to the next number 4. So see, 2 2s are 4. Now what you got? Numerator's place we got 12 and in the denominator's place we got 3. So again you can cancel this with the 3. So see this, 3 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12. So now what we got? Numerator's place we got 4 and in the denominator's place you got what? 1. So 4 divided by 1 means actually you will get the answer as what? 4. This is time, so we need to put the unit, that is hours. So 4 hours is the answer. So Fatima travelled for 4 hours. Thank you.